Good day, guys. Welcome back to this channel. Now, to those of you that are yet to subscribe, guys, make sure you please click on the subscribe button, like, share, make your comments. We'd love to watch out for it. Now, let's take a look at GBPJPY for this week. If you are also yet to follow us on Telegram, you will find the link to our Telegram channel in the comment section. So make sure you do not forget to follow us on Telegram. Follow us on Telegram. The link will be found in the comment section. Now, let's start with this movement on GBPJPY. We can see that this movement here, this movement, like I think this was around February, right? This was the period of February. GBPJPY literally, has been giving us that bullish move. Now we can see that there is a corrective wave around this level, right? The market eventually pushes up. Then when markets drop, we are supposed to expect a new higher highs, thereby breaking this above this previous higher highs. So we cannot confirm that this will continue to the upside. But guess what? Market does not do that. It literally gives us a double top at this level. And now price is now dropping. So basically, literally, with what we are seeing, we will be expecting more movement to the downside on GBP JPY. So our bias on GBP JPY is still to the downside. But before I go ahead and tell you guys what you should watch out for, make sure you actually go ahead and subscribe to the Patreon channel. We are now offering a 40% discount rate. Those of you that actually reached out, that were trying to join the Patreon channel that you said you can't, we are now offering a 40% discount, which will only last for 2 days. So probably around the period of Monday, maybe when it's on Monday or maximum of Tuesday, this offer would be over. So once you join now, you'll be able to get to trade with us, learn with us, see why we are taking such trades. So you yourself can actually take your trade yourself. Like I said, it is a 40% discount rate that we are offering, which will only last for only 2 days. So you can grab that offer. The link to the Patreon channel will be in the comment section. So now back to this my analysis on GBP JPY. Like I said before, we will be expecting more movement to the downside. This is just like this is a double top here. So more movement to the downside is what's coming out on GBP JPY. Now take a look at this market. You can see something like this, which I want you guys to watch. You can see lower lows here, lower highs. This is a new lows, though the new lower lows is still forming, by the way. So we'll be expecting more drop to the downside. Once price can drop and clear all this level, I know a lot of traders will be looking to buy here, but this is where the liquidity will play out. This is the support level, no doubt. This is the support level here. We can't rule it out, but a lot of traders would want to start taking a buy from this level, right? And guess what? The JPY eventually drop. I'm sure this drop is not over. More drop is to come. So if that drop comes, right, then we should expect a pullback, and we will now continue the movement to the downside. So basically, we will still expect more downward movement on GBPJPY. So if there's going to be any changes in this structure, we're going to give you guys an update.